Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I come at you from my daughter's bedroom because I definitely don't spend a lot of time in here, but when I do, I am so glad that we've chosen little decor details that add so much to the space. We got this Pom Pom garland to add to the already nice space to amplify it just that much more. These were a very tiny detail, but they give the space so much extra vibrant color. We love the array of colors of the pom-poms. I absolutely love that the garland is lightweight. All we did was put a tiny little nail and then we took the yarn and twirled it right around. You can do any shape, you can border things such as the room, you can drape them lovely. I think that these are so nice. These are so easily adjusted so that depending on the size of space and the length that you want to use, you can slide the pom-poms very easily. I think this garland just is so fun and gives all the right bold vibes. We love it so much, my daughter especially, but that's our point of view.